Join me for the Paris Peony Pack, where you get to paint 3 stunning peonies. The French country peony, the Paris peony, and then you get a painting challenge with a drawing template and the color palette supplied, and then you test how much you've learned on the 3rd one. It's super cool and students are getting wonderful results. I teach you how to do all the paint handling in acrylics, so you're going to become very confident at doing the paint handling. How to create all this surface texture, how to blend all these gorgeous colors, how to color mix these colors, and how to get these lovely effects and volume of this, give it this lovely dancing feel. How to mix greens, how to handle your backgrounds, and more. So you can do the backgrounds any color you want. I've done them in these tones, but it's up to you. And it's a great time to join me. We have regular painting reviews, and I get to see what you've been doing and give you tips online in our Zoom sessions. See you in class soon.